Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all well. Today we will see how we can run C program in Ubuntu. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, open your terminal. Then type sudo apt install gcc, then click on enter, then enter your password. It will begin to install gcc on your system. Once the installation is completed, go to the folder where you want to save your C program. Now type touch, then the file name which you want to give to your C program, then click on enter. Now it will create an file name in my desktop folder. I will copy and paste this program. You can write any program whichever you want. Then click on Ctrl S to save it. Then type gcc, then your file name, then space out, then the output file name which you want to give. I will provide test, then click on enter. Now it will provide an binary form of your code which we can execute in your Ubuntu machine. To execute it, type this command / the output file name. See, this is the output of my program. I will show you a program. See, here I will give. Please subscribe to my channel. This is how you can execute C program. Hope this video helped you guys. If this video helped you, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, please leave a comment. I will try to reply it as soon as possible. Let's meet in next video. Until then, bye bye. Love you. Peace.